Hey guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you a super easy, super quick curly hairstyle. I just love this hairstyle because it requires minimal effort and it just kind of gives you somewhat of a different look, cute, fun. You can dress up with this look, you can be casual with this look, you can just do whatever you want. So if you're interested to see how I accomplish this really easy curly hair look, then keep on watching. Hey guys, what's up? So let's go ahead and get into this hairstyle. So I have my hair washed. Ooh. Okay, so I already have a couple things in my hair. Currently, I have the Bantu for Natural Hair Leave-In Conditioner, and I also have the Coconut Restore Triple Butter Curl Moisture Cream. And my hair is super damp because I just got out of the shower and I put all those products right when I got out of the shower and just put it up. So getting started on this hairstyle, I'm gonna go ahead and start parting my hair, and it's gonna be like a little square in the front. Okay, so I have the parts on the sides, as you can see. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you know, as close as you can get it. And now I'm just gonna do the back. Okay, so as you can see, that this part here is far from perfect, but it's okay. So now I'm gonna put the rest of my hair up. We're gonna go ahead and split this into two. All right, so now we have two halves. I'm just gonna twist this one to just kind of keep it out of the way a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the As I Am Twist Defining Cream. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of that. So I'm gonna concentrate that more at the root. And then I'm just gonna brush out this section. Okay, so now that it's combed out, I am just gonna go ahead and twist it all the way back. Once I reach the end, I'm gonna go ahead and keep twisting. And I'm gonna twist my hair into a Bantu knot. And as I'm getting to the end, I'm just like tucking it underneath. And there's one. Now I'm gonna just do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so now that we have our two little Bantu knots slash horns, we can move on. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair down, and just to kind of set it a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Coconut Restore Curl Mousse. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair dry and be back. Okay guys, that's it. This is my hair at like 90% dry. So really simple, easy tutorial, right? If you enjoyed watching this video, then please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more from me, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.